Hello guys, welcome back. I've been away for a few days, but I'm back and it's going to be better than before. Today I'm across the road from central Kaprao. What we're going to do, we're going to walk down there and we're going to have one of the best Kapraos in Bangkok. So today is Christmas Day as well today. I was going to do a live stream, but I just feel really tired. I've been doing a lot of stuff today. But anyway, here's that place. I'll show you. There it is. I can't read Thai, but look at the pictures. Can you see the size of those Kapraos? Don't know if I'm going to eat anything that big, but yeah, let's get down there. So if you're wondering why I'm eating this on a Christmas day and not having a Christmas lunch, it's because my daughter's gone to school today and she'll be back about 6 p.m. So I don't want to stay hungry all day. So yeah, let's go and check this place out. There it is. Okay, well, it smells good in there. Let's check this menu out. Don't know which one I'm going to go for. That's a bit too much, isn't it? Best seller here. Look at that. It's a bit too much, isn't it, eh? 789 baht. What we have to do is scan this one. You can scan that on your TV now and you'll be able to see the menu. Okay, so I ordered this one. The menu was all in Thai and I had real difficulty trying to get it into English. Apparently this is pork, these are chicken. And you pay 10 baht for some rice as well. Mine's come to about 210 baht or something like that. I'll leave the bill up at the end. Also, you can choose your spice level, and I've gone for 50%. Yeah, don't think I could handle a 200%. I'll probably have steam coming out my ears. Looks alright in there, don't it? Look at that. If anybody wants to have a Kaprao challenge with me, we could probably come down and do the 500 baht one, which looks quite alright. Where's the 500 baht? There it is there, but no, I think that's too much. Maybe do that one. If anybody wants to take me on, we can come down and do this one. About Mark Wiens, what about you? Do you reckon you could handle it? So normally I'd pay about 60 to 70 baht for a Kaprao. This one's a little bit higher, so that means it's going to be good. Need this on a hot day as well. So this is my Christmas lunch. Don't know what Christmas dinner's going to be. But that's where all the magic happens, and all these boxes are all for the takeaway. There's plenty of boxes to this place. Yeah, I'll leave everything up in the description. You can come and check it out or order from here. Okay, and there it is, guys. We've got chicken wings there. These are pork wontons, dumplings, and the Kaprao. But I must have ordered it wrong and they've mixed it in with the rice, which is, it's alright. Anyway, you know what we have to do now? It's the egg test. Right, here we go. Whoa, look how runny it is. That looks about a 9 out of 10, that. It's all about the taste as well. Maybe we'll add some chilies on there, I'm not sure yet. Anyway. Oh, look at that. You're getting that. That. It's really spicy. But, oh, it's beautiful. This, I think I found the perfect Kaprao. So this isn't for putting on your Thai Kaprao, it's for cooking with. Good job, I didn't pour any on my food. Anyway, I'm going to try one of these chicken wings. Spicy sauce there. Red hot. Sauce is a little bit sweet. It's good though. Not bad. Not bad chicken, that. Okay, time for one of these. I think I'm just going to stick it on the plate. They're quite heavy. Okay, chop out in half here. So these are pork wontons. Or gyoza. Gyoza. Something like that. Ooh, they're nice. Oh, it's good. What a fantastic Christmas lunch. Oh, I could eat loads of these. Anyway, let's crack on with Thai Kaprao. Should have asked a little less spicy really, because I like to add my own chilies. It's alright. Bits of garlic in there. So yeah, it's really good. Perfect. A bit spicy, but rice, perfect. When you pay more money, you do get better food, don't you? Would I come again? Yeah, definitely. Bring your friends and your family, have a nice meal. Yeah, I think this is probably the best one I've had. And I have eaten a lot of Thai Kaprao. There's a lump of garlic in there. I'm going to crack on with this, and I'll catch you when we go and get the bill. Okay, so there's the bill. It's coming at 208, and I bought one of them sauces so I could do some cooking at home. This is 89 baht. Fantastic. So right next door we have a 7-Eleven. What are we going to drink today? Let us know in the comments. Okay, so it being Christmas, I'm going to treat myself to a Heineken. Thanks a lot, guys. I want to say a big thank you to all the members, especially Bruce. Cheers, guys. And I'll catch you in the next video. Merry Christmas. I'm not joking about it either. That was brilliant. Let's try some of that sauce. I do put a little bit of that on the egg. Brand new bottle. Yeah, this is oyster sauce. Probably get it written in the comments you're doing it wrong.
For sale, 89 baht.
For sale?
Bottle, yes.
How much?
We are cooking
Ah, okay.
at home.
I told you I did it wrong. It's for sale. See what it tastes like.